Hello, Dr. Pong. We are the students from the database class of Group 1. Today we are going to present the output of our database project. Now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Wong Ang Yi with the matrix number 71954.
My name is Heng Cheng Wei and the matrix number is 69803.
My name is Felix Chai with a matrix number of 69720.
First and foremost, we click on the registration button to access to the registration page. Okay, here is the registration form for the user. The user need to input their full name, email, mobile, password, address, and also they need to choose for the membership. For the password session, a validation password is required, which means that the user need to input at least a lowercase letter, a uppercase letter, a number, minimum 8 character, and a special character. So now we choose for the trial user, and then we register. Okay, now we input the user ID of 45. So we proceed. Okay, an email notice will auto send to the user. So here is the trial expired date for the trial user. So we continue. Then we register again for the member user. Same as the before, we input the personal details of the user. Now we choose for the member user. Then we register. Okay. For the member user need to select the package. So now we input the user ID and the package ID of 1, which is 1 device views with the price of 17 ringgit Malaysia. So now we proceed to the payment. Then now we input the payment ID of 23. Then we select the payment method of credit card. So we press on the pay button to make the payment. Okay, the user pay successful. Then an email notice will auto send to the user. In order to generate the receipt, we need to input the payment ID. So now we input the 23. Then we request for the receipt. Then a new window of the PDF file of receipt is created. Okay, now we go back to the main page. And now we log in for the user. We input the user ID and the password. Then we choose for the user type of member. Okay, now we log in. Then the user is successfully logged in. So that's all for my presentation part. Now I would like to pass the session to my teammate, Mr. Hun Sen Wai.
Okay, thank you, the previous presenter, Ang Yi. So I would like to continue. So in this page, you can see on the header, we have 3 buttons. On our right side is contact us, profile, and logout. So let us see what is the content of profile. So inside profile, we can see the information of the user. So the user is not allowed to edit the information, but it can change the password. So if you want to change the password, you can just click here and key in your information and your old password. And your new password. Maybe new password I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and after that, you just press save. So your password is already changed. So later I will re-log in to let you see what is our password is already changed. Okay, so we go back to the main page first, so we can see what is the content inside the content contact us. So just press contact us. So inside here we provided the email of tnfreaks@gmail.com and the contact number. So inside here we also provided the top 5 TV series which arranged by the view count and counted by the view count. So we back to the main page. So inside here, in the main page, we can see all the information of the TV series with the TV series ID, TV title, season, episode, genre, major rating. So if you want to see what is the rating, you can just maybe I want to see the rating TV series ID 5. So you can just press set. So we can the average rate is counted. So it's 5.6000. So at the below here also is the TV series top 5 TV series. Okay, if you interested with the TV series ID 5 My Hunter, so you can just select it. Okay, inside here we can see the image and the season. So you can select the season, then the episode. So after that, after you select the TV episode and we consider you are already watched the movie. So after you watch the movie, it will show us the total visitor, which how many visitor already watched the this TV this movie. So if you want to watch more movie, you can just press continue here. But if you want to rating, you can go to the end. You can just rate the movie on your ID, your user ID, and maybe I want to rate 2. Okay, so just give rate. Okay, rate successful. Okay, so you proceed, you will go back to the main page, and you can, if you want to see again the rating, you can just set again to input 5, TV series ID 5, and set. So you can see the average rate is become 5.00. Okay, we will like to log out and we log in to see whether just now the user change password is successful. So we can see 5, 6. So we log in. So okay, we log in successful means the password is already changed. Okay, we log out again. Okay, we go proceed to the admin login. So admin login, the admin ID is 41 and the password is A B C D. Okay, okay. After we log into the admin, okay, we will go to the admin main page. So inside here we have 10 operation. I would like to introduce the first and the second one. So we go to the first one is TV series. So the TV series title we put Spider-Man, the TV series, TV season, TV episode, and genre, and the maturity 16 plus, and just proceed. After we proceed, we will go to the actor, actress, and director. Inside here, we have one rules is add that one by one. We cannot add more than one for the one time. So we proceed to the add actor. Maybe John. And the activity ID is 16. So we add. Okay, we go back again. If we don't have any actress, actor, or a director, we have to key in dash to avoid the data corrupt. Okay, after we added, you can just press proceed. Okay, so for this page, we can see all the information which we added. So the TV title, Spider-Man, and so on. So we continue to back to the main page, and the second operation is upload image. So we enter inside here. We can upload any image for this TV series ID. So if you want to maybe TV series ID 16, you can choose any image inside your computer. So, but I haven't downloaded any image so I will not to proceed demo in here. So I would like to go back to the main page, and the rest operation I would like to pass to another teammate to continue.
Thank you, Mr. Sheng Wei. So I would like to explain about the edit TV series. So first we choose the edit TV series. So we choose the TV series 16. So we change Spider-Man to X-Men. And then the TV series is episode is 2. So the genre is drama, action, and horror. And the mature rating we read at 13 or 16, 13. Yeah, and we choose edit. And edited successfully. And we go back and then we can see that the TV title has been changed to X-Men, and the TV series and stuff has been changed. So we go back to the main page. We choose the delete TV series. So we can actually delete the TV series. So let's say we delete number 16. Okay, deleted successfully. So we can see that the TV series number 16 has been eliminated. So we go back to the main menu. So we go to the edit user, which means that we can edit the user. So let's say we choose Spotify. We just change the hello to hello 3, and then the rest of the detail remain the same. We choose edit. All right, the editor successfully. So we can see that the full name has been changed from hello to hello 3. So we go back to the main menu. So we delete the user. So let's say we delete the number 45 since the trial user has reached the limit for the trial usage, and it has been listed successfully. So there's no more user ID number 45. So we go back to the main menu. So we generate the report by the genre. So we can actually search the genre. So let's say we choose crime. So when we choose crime, it will show the TV series that contain the genre crime. So below there is the top 5 TV series, which was ranked based on the counter or the view count. And then below there is the all red on the TV series. So go back to the main page. We choose the generate report by the actor. So there are the list of the actor ID. So we choose actor ID number 5. So it will show the actor name and the TV series that he has been involved. So below that is remain the same, the top 5 TV series and the all red on the TV series. And then the next is setting visitor count. So we can actually set a visitor count visible to the viewer when we choose add the new TV series. But right now, since we have deleted the new TV series, so we don't have to set the visitor count. So we go back to the main page. So we change the password. So the admin ID remain the same, 1111, but we change the password to ABCD and E. We save it. And then after that, we log out and try to log in again. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so log in. So it has been logged in successfully. So basically, that's about it for our output for the TMF leaks. So thank you, Doctor, for watching our presentation, and goodbye.
Thank you, Doctor.